Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide the tutorial on how to change the screen timeout on Infinix Hot 4 device. Well, knowing how to change the screen timeout on your device allows you to customize how long the screen stays on before it automatically turns off. This is beneficial for several reasons. First, battery conservation. Shortening the screen timeout can help conserve battery life by reducing the amount of time the screen remains active when not in use. Second, privacy and security. Setting a shorter screen timeout can help protect your privacy and security by automatically locking the device when not in use, preventing unauthorized access. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly you have to go to the settings, and then here scroll a little bit and select display and brightness option. Okay, after that, scroll down, then select screen timeout. Okay, so now you'll find many kinds of duration and you can tap once to select one of them. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to change the screen timeout on Infinix Hot 4 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.